Hello guys, how are you? So in today's video, I am going to discuss some most common topics in IELTS which they ask you. Remember, these topics are the writing topics. You have to write an essay on them. Number 1 is advertising. Number 2, animal rights. In animal rights, they might ask you about testing on animals and vegetarianism and zoos, etc. Number 3, cities. They must they might ask you about problems of city life and urbanization, etc. Number 4 are the crime, and this is much important than others. They might ask you about that. In crime, they should ask you about police punishments, prisons, rehabilitation, capital punishment, etc. Number 5, education. In education, they might ask you about study abroad, technology in education, education in developing countries, higher education, homeschooling, bad behavior, corporal punishment, single sex education, streaming, grouping children according to ability. That depends on their mode. Number 6, which is very important, is environment. In environment, they will ask you about global warming, which is very important. In fact, impact of humans on the environment, solutions to environment problems, waste, rubbish, litter, recycling, nuclear power. Number 7, family. Mostly they ask about a family in introduction. They ask about family size, working parents, negative effects on children, divorce, care for old people. Number 8, gender. It depends on their mood. Remember that. They can ask you anything, but these are most common IELTS topic which they ask you to write an essay on. In gender, they can ask you gender and education, gender and work, women's and men's role in the family. Number 9 is genetic engineering. Sorry. In genetic engineering, they might ask you about the positives, negatives, genetically modified foods. Number 10 is global issues. In global issues, they will ask you about problems in developing countries like Pakistan, India, and how to help developing countries, immigration, multicultural globalization, etc. Number 11 is government and society. They might ask you about several topics about government and society, like what government can do, public services, censorship, video cameras in public places. Remember, I am telling you this again and again, it depends on their mood, but these are the most common topics they ask in IELTS. And most importantly, if you cover all these topics, they will ask you any question. They can ask you any question about anything, but the question will be related to these topics. Number 12, guns and weapons. In guns and weapons, they might ask you about gun ownership and possession, police and guns, nuclear weapons, armed forces. Number 13 is health. In health, they will ask you about diet, exercise, state health system, private health care, alternative medicine, stress, etc. and etc. Number 14 is housing and architecture. In housing and architecture, they will ask you about state housing, old buildings, and modern green buildings, etc. Green buildings are those from which air can pass easily. Number 15, international language. They will ask you that about English as an international language and etc. and etc. Number 16 is money. Money, they might ask you about money and society, consumerism, etc. Number 17 is personal development. They might ask you about that personal development. They will ask you about happiness, success, nature, or nature. Number 18 is sport and leisure. In sport and leisure, they will ask you about professional competitive sports, sport, salaries, sport and politics. Number 19 is tourism, which is most common topic of art, and they love to ask you about that. Tourism. In tourism, they will ask you about the positives of tourism, negative effect on environment, future of tourism, etc. etc. Number 20 is traditions and modern life. In tradition and modern life, they might ask you about losing traditional skills, traditional customs, etc. And that's all. And moreover, I am going to show you some topics they will ask you about in the introduction. These are those topics. You can take screenshot of them and you might write them if you want to. Moreover, let me show you some sample essays. Although you know about the topics of the essays, but you must have an idea how you should write an essay. So there it is. This is a sample essay. However, you can write it in your own wordings. And thank you for your consideration. And must do like and subscribe to get my videos. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will definitely reply to them. Thank you.